Hello from Cape Breton. We're home.
Home. We're back on our home island. Feels good to be back. It's a beautiful sunny day, and we're actually, well, we dropped off our bags at home. We hit the road again. We are in Kempt Head on Cape Breton Island. It's about halfway between the Fortress of Louisburg and the Cabot Trail, and we're at the Seaweed Sod farm bed and breakfast.
This is where we're staying tonight.
Yeah. So this bed and breakfast is located on a working farm. This is Fauna, the farm guard dog. Oh, sorry, she spoons a bit. She's 10, and there's a bunch of different animals and over 100 acres of farmland to explore. I see horses. There's horses and a llama and sheep and chickens and turkeys and what else was there? I can't remember. There's a lot of cool stuff. This is the inside of the B&B. It's like, this is the B&B half of the house, and then the owners live in the other half of the house. There's like a little lounge area. It's super cozy. It just feels like you're in a home away from home. And then heading upstairs, there are 2 rooms to stay in. This is the Eagle room, a nice queen-size bed. It overlooks the farm, which is really nice. And then here is the whale room. Oh. This is our room, so I can actually do this to the bed. There's a bunch of like llamas all around. In here is the bathroom. It's a really nice bathroom. Oh, clawfoot tub. Oh, where?
We're actually doing a photo shoot here, but I thought we'd do a video as well.
We're gonna look around, see the animals. We were told that there's like less than a week old baby chicks. So we might get some cuteness to insert into this video. Get ready for your hearts to melt. And then tomorrow we have a super fun tour planned too.
Which should probably be the title of this video, so not a secret.
Oh yeah, I guess.
We're on island tours.
I can't keep it a
Puffins.
secret. Fine.
What's cat in Gaelic? Cat.
Hey Joe, what's his name again?
Rocky. Hello. How's llama life?
They're not, he's not cooperating. Got a lot of his back. He's just full eat mode right now.
Hey llama.
Hey llama! I was
was just checking out the turkeys.
I was like, here llama, 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 llama. Yeah. How are the turkeys?
One of the turkeys is like...
Okay. The $1 million babies. That's so funny. That's so cute. Hey, mama. Okay, I'm sorry. Here you go. Hey, Flick.
There's tastier grass over this side.
There's some tastier grass. Want this? Just rips it from me. Hi guys.
Okay.
I got a haircut today by a barber. Barber a la David.
It was me.
Good morning. Good morning. So cute.
So, I always thought maybe I'd set up a B&B.
Check out this breakfast.
It's B&B, so they do like a farm fresh breakfast experience. I believe if you have eggs, like the eggs are hatched here and everything. But today we're having waffles. That was such a nice day.
It was a great stay.
They are so kind, and I just love how you're staying in an old farmhouse and that the farm is all around you and the roosters wake you up in the morning. Or if you want, the fans in the room are powerful enough that it kind of like makes the sound of the rooster. Did you hear them in the morning?
No, I didn't. No.
Yeah, me neither. But then I opened our door and they were like, but yeah, that was just a treat. So they're open all year round actually, but they're busiest in the summer and fall months. Check them out. They're not very far from Sydney and not very far from the Cabot Trail either. we are going on Bird Island boat tours today. It is located in Cape Breton Island, and we're hoping to see some puffins. So the puffins are usually in Cape Breton roughly like May to the end of August, sometimes September, but right now is the prime time to see them, so let's go.
So what they did was they tied up the rigging, tied up the helms.
This is so cool.
The first member of the cormorant family is this great cormorants.
There's some more great cormorants on the Silver Rock.
I just yelled, puffin!
Alcidae family.
Did you get that one?
The Alcidae family. Now, first member of the
Check out those legs. You got the sexiest legs in the world. Of course, don't tell my weight that. Black Gillamine. White wing patches. Sexy red legs.
Saw a ton of those this morning, so
Well, actually,
next one is the razorbill. He looks like a miniature penguin. He's got a sharp white breast and belly, a thin white strip on his bill. Other than that, black with coat, tails of penguins and so forth.
Razorbill miniature penguin. Physically larger than the double-crested right beside him for a bird that size. But it's a trade-off. They get so waterlogged. See the fur on the gray seal when it dries, it starts turning white with the salt on it. How about the puffin? They just stood up on end and flapped their wings while staying on the water. 14 puffin and razorbill come out of one hole. How those holes are made is also interesting.
This is super cool. We have seen so many puffins, but it's a really nice sunny day, which means that all of the puffins are out on the water. And they said that a good day to come and see puffins all on the cliff edge is like a really crappy rainy day. So this is an any weather kind of activity. Oh, we had an amazing time.
Thank you. We had a great tour. The guides were so into it. They were just like, puffin, puffin over there.
That was amazing. Yeah, they just kept yelling like, oh my god, over there, over there. We were like, what? Oh my gosh. It was just
We're
a
just
lot.
like, oh my God, oh my
there was
God, oh my
literally
God.
birds like right around the boat, like on the island, in the water. You kind of got, there was just no way that you could predict where you would see a bird next. It was very cool. Yeah. And there was
That's
also
great.
a bunch of other kinds of birds other than puffins that I totally don't remember the name.
There's like little baby penguins. There's an official name for them, but we can't remember.
They kept saying the
And there's-
names. We were supposed to remember the names. There's like ganets and eagles. There was a bunch of eagles, a bunch of seals too. We captured a seal having its own like little aerial moment, like, oh, I want to be with the people now.
It was great.
It was great. It was so good. Any recommendations for going?
Just a sweater. And that's it, really.
Oh yeah,
and
bring some layers.
We need to
make
get like
sure
a
you're
big
warm.
lens because our
We need
lens
a bigger
was
lens.
not good enough for that.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, we need a better lifestyle. Or
Lifestyle.
lifestyle. Sorry. We
Better
need.
lifestyle. I'm done with this lifestyle.
We need a better wildlife lens, is what I was trying to say. But yeah,
That's
this
it
was
for
so
this,
good.
that's
so
it for this
good.
video?
Bring binoculars. It was my other hot tip.
Binoculars, okay.
Maybe binoculars. They do have some to rent, but like you should just bring your own or something. But yeah, super enjoyable. We finally got to see a puffin. Finally. They're so cute. They're so little. Yeah. I wish I could take one home with me. Okay, that's
Alright.
it. Sorry, I'm
Bye.
not talking now. Bye.